ultimately wants to do. Let's go to the south here because we saw these horrific attacks here. This drama theater where a number of people were taking refuge was shelled yesterday and destroyed. Russia says, no, we didn't do it. Clearly, they did. They have also taken hostages up here at one of the main hospitals. And there was a Russian general of the 150th.
Be ready for a fright, master designers. Welcome to my nightmare. Tonight we're gonna draw Freddy Krueger. As seen on Nightmare on Elm Street, Freddy Krueger is one of the main antagonists for the Nightmare on Elm Street series. Nightmare on Elm Street is about this one guy who used to be known as he used to be a gardener at some preschool, but he was secretly known as the Springwood Slasher. He had a thing for killing kids, mostly girls. And Nancy, one of them, he found most interesting. He even tried to kill her. And mostly boys. He also can kill boys. He also had a habit of mostly killing boys. Until one night, the parents of Elm Street found his hideout and burned him to death. They chased him, they followed him, and they burned him to death. They hunted him. They were protecting their children. But what they didn't know was that the fear that they still had, it gave Freddy the power to invade their dreams and their thoughts. Being dead wasn't a problem for him. His plan is to steal their souls and take over their bodies so that everyone would be able to remember his reputation and the fear that he can spread. He's a really dangerous outlaw, and basically, I didn't know what he was after at the time. I think he wanted to take over Nancy's body and and spread the fear once again. He wanted Nancy's soul, but he rather much torture her. Now we draw his pants. He doesn't know when he's going to show up. Nobody even knows whether something is real or not. Not to mention, he brought Jason back to help him in his quest to spread the fear and bring destruction. Now we draw the claws. This is Freddy's signature move, his giant scary claw. This is what he used to terrorize people, mostly girls and boys.
absolutely horrific. In fact, they're also saying that they're telling families to leave their dead outside because it is too unsafe
Well,
to have
I didn't. He didn't really had this. He didn't really get the chance to invade the adults' nightmares. I didn't know how it was possible, but you get the idea. Anyways, well, I said that stuff when I saw Freddy versus Jason. And finished. That's how you draw Freddy Krueger. I saw this. I found this way easy to draw. I found this form easy to draw up because I saw an episode on unrealetgaming, and well, basically, stay tuned for more characters like this. If you want to find out more on what character you want me to draw next, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. Anyways, make sure to hit the like button, press subscribe, and stay away from haunted cornfields.